Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to make this video detailing the concept, the inspiration of the anime I am getting married to the girl I hate the most in my class or something. That's the title, right? Yeah, that's like the title. Grr. I'm getting married to the girl I hate the most in my class. And let's see. I will recall girls in my elementary days, high school days, college days that I hated and see if I have the chance to get married to them. Okay, so first of all, let's go right at elementary. Elementary school. So at elementary school, I can only count for one person. We're gonna codename her as Janka for some reason. Her traits, her reason that I hated her is she's too tall, she's unattractive, yeah. Although she does know how to cook, but that's beyond the point of it. She also her teeth is also like broken teeth, toothless aggression. And there is an instance where I saw her at the back of her pants. There's like shit stain. Yeah. So she's not really the most attractive girl in the class, and I think she is still single. I have no desire to marry her whatsoever. So Janka is not gonna get married by me. No shot. Okay, that's it for high school. For elementary, I mean, let's go to high school. So for high school, do have some three names that I want to share to all of y'all. Okay, three names. First is Joe. Joe is a Muslim. And the reasons that I hate her is she is such a flirt. I mentioned she is a Muslim, so she's a Muslim, but she flirts with sons of Iglesia ni Cristo ministers. Like she owns the Bible. That's a sin. You're making a nice guy commit sin. You're a flirt. And let's be honest, you got pregnant 1 year after graduating high school. Congratulations. Uh, what else? I think Loki, she hates me. She's grossed out on me on high school. Yeah, but likewise, I guess we're the same. I just hate her attitude. She has a big attitude problem. You know, attitude problem. I good luck to the kid to the kid handling multiple boyfriends because the father of the kid just left him. She's a solo parent now. I think she's still seeing some men, but I'm gonna guarantee you, me and Joe, this Muslim, yeah, we're not gonna tie the knot anytime soon. Okay? Okay, next one. Long name. The reason I called her long name is because she has a long ass name. And the main reason that I hate her is for her being so rude. What do I mean by rude? So I think we made a music video for the project, and there was like 3 minutes needed because the music video was under time. So one of my friends decided to take the opportunity to put a clip of her scolding the whole class. That's right, scolding the whole class. She's a power tripper. Okay? And then we have to fake it out. Like after graduation in high school, she has to leave the country. And then her friends are like, oh, she's gonna leave the country. Oh, we're gonna miss her. Fooey, you know? Yeah, long name is on my list. I don't want a rude wife. You know, we're not gonna marry. I'm not gonna get married to a bitch like her. Okay, let's go to the third one. The model. Okay, my reason why I don't like the model, she was my classmate in first year high school. The reason why, quote unquote, the model, I don't like to be paired with her in high school. Yeah, I was forced to be in a love team, or my classmates accused me of having a crush on her, or she had a crush on me, which kind of ruins the integrity of me being single, and the fact that I've lived with only liking one girl in my lifetime, and I kind of hate her. I kind of hated her because of those actions. So she was a tease, you know. She was a tease. She was not. She's not really not my type. Oops, not my type. And yeah, unfortunately, we I don't see we don't see, really see eye to eye. I'm not even friends with her. I think on social media, but I do follow her on Instagram. I took the name the model because I think she's currently a lingerie model. I think maybe she's also close friends with long name. Go figure. Okay, now we're gonna go to the good stuff. We're gonna go to college. College has a whopping 7 people on this list. Okay, so we're gonna go to the early years. The first year. First year, I have 3 names. First year college. The reason I split this first year and the rest of the years because I studied at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, and we had a general education course for all freshmen, Gened. And the first one that I want to call out is Lazarus. Okay. The reason why I hate her, she's a homophobe. Why is she a homophobe? She hates Adam Lambert for being gay. Gay. And what do I mean by this? I think it occurred during the summer vacation. I was supporting Adam Lambert in American Idol, and she started it. She called me out. Okay, I didn't. I was being just a silent Adam Lambert supporter, and then she decides to take violence, called me out, like she even said, "Go f myself," you know, and that really established a grudge against her. Mind you, I gave her flowers on Valentine's Day at an ROTC event. Okay, so I did kind of like her, but will I marry her? Ain't no way, sucker. You know, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna go bother with a homophobe like her, like a homophobe like her. Actually, she's kind of more of a hypocrite. She's hanging out with gay people. So she's just she hates Ada Lovett for being gay, for kissing men, but ends up hanging out with the same stereotypes. Make up your mind. Make up your goddamn mind, girl. You know. Okay. Who else are we go? Who else? Uh, I took up the whole screen. Let's go for the second one, prank caller. This is currently the wife of one of my classmates in engineering. So, prank caller. Well, the reason is she prank called me, and I gotta call her out on this. But if she ever thinks that I'm just a joke, then good thing she's currently married because I'm not gonna go and flirt with her. You understand what you understand what I'm saying? And then there's unknown. Unknown because I hated her because she is too passive. Like, come on, she's so passive. I see some boys goggle their eyes over her, but she's too passive. And they're accusing her that she is in some sort of a relationship. But we can't even confirm that because she is too passive. I can't even find her Facebook. Much alone, I hate that fact that I can't find her social media page. Yeah. So those three are my first year college general education girls that I hated in class. Okay. Let's go to electronics engineering. What's the best color for? Yeah, let's just go white. ECE. Well, let's go with the smartass. This is the girl that I hated the most. Let's go over the reasons why. She's a smartass one. She's a politician, which means she runs for student council office. She's a power tripper. Okay? She's makeup dependent because she has so many blemishes of her on her skin. She thinks she's beautiful, but she's makeup dependent. She's a jack of all trades. Like she is good on every subject, but she is not that good on this field. Okay, she took engineering because she's smart. I get it, but she's not engineering smart. She's just smart. Okay, in other words, there are other courses that fits her more than engineering. So she's taking up a spot for other well deserving students. Okay, and the worst of all, she is overrated. Okay, why do I? Because of all this, she didn't even top the board exam. Everyone was expecting she's gonna be in the top 10. No, I called it. I called it. She's not engineering smart. She is just smart, and she was overhyped, overrated by the faculty of engineering, by the College of Engineering in PLM on my batch, and that's the bottom line. I banned her on Facebook. Yes, I banned her on Facebook, and her ass is still permabanned. Her sorry ass is still permabanned on my Facebook. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna sit there and watch this overrated sack of cloud on my timeline. Oh yeah, she has no chance of marrying me or something. Okay, the other one, ECE. We're still in ECE. We got four here actually. We got fat ass. So, fat ass, she is a rich kid, rich girl. Uh, what else? She's fat. She's black, and she thinks she is pretty. For what am I saying is her attitude doesn't match her appearance. Okay? And she has so many gadgets. What, like, girl, you're in a poverty school. You're in a public university. Like, at least make yourself like, you know, a poor, middle class work girl, not a rich girl. You know, you think she thinks she's hot. She is so full of herself. Like, what the heck? You know? Okay. Next one. Oops. Next one. Squeaky ass. Everything in EC is ass. Oh, the reason here is she has a force, high pitch shriek, annoying shriek. She low-key hates me. And she's a fraud valedictorian. What do I mean by fraud? You're a valedictorian but you're not excelling in engineering class. My god. And then the last one in engineering that I want to address. The last one in engineering that I want to address is the politician. Politics ass. Reasons I hate her: she's a tomboy. She plays basketball for a girl. She's a tomboy. She's a politician. And, and because she's a politician, she has immunity from failing. And that makes her full of herself. Okay. Yeah, so this I forgot what political party she belongs to. I think it's Bukluran. I don't know. Yeah. Also, her surname is Rasengan. That's Oops. Yeah. So, politic ass. Sorry about that. I So she's Rasengan. She is a politician. Makes her immune to fail. And she made herself a varsity. So she is immune to fail further. She's a power tripper. Yeah. And yeah, those are I'm not gonna marry a power tripper. That's that's guaranteed. And yeah, those are the women, the girls that I would not marry. I think I'm not gonna marry them. Not one single girl that I hated in class have a shot on marrying me.